Okay, so now we're going to talk about refrigeration, but in a smaller capacity.
Okay.
So these are refrigerator drawers. Not a lot of people know that these even exist. These are incredible features for an island, easy for kids to be able to get to their drinks and treats. So this is something that I think you should look into when you're doing a kitchen.
So the refrigerator drawer comes in a variety of sizes if you're talking Sub-Zero, but the most common size if you're talking other manufacturers is going to be 24 inches wide. Now the nice part about this is they can be an addition to other refrigeration. So if maybe the refrigerator you're putting in, that's your full-size fridge, doesn't quite get everything in there. As Ron mentioned, this can be a great place for kids' snacks. This can also be a great point of use unit. So if maybe you have this with your fruits and vegetables and it's right by where you do all your prepping, you can also put these in bars, in pantries, in all kinds of different places. They also make outdoor units. So if you had a party backyard patio, you could do one outdoors. But again, it's just a nice addition to your full-size fridge because it gives you some additional storage and then point of use options. So under counter refrigeration in the drawer fashion. These are shown here with panels on them. So again, it just looks like cabinet drawers. You have options also as well to put stainless panels on them. So then it looks more like an appliance.